Let's double check just the local, really local on the daily time frame, 12 time frame zones for Manta USDT trading pair with my customer said. Globally, guys, everything so bad. So Manta dump it so low here, people laughing. So we will never drop even under $1, but we landed to 7 cents. So guys, never say never. Unfortunately, it's not fun, you know. Yes, of course, I rather be always wrong then happy I'm right about Manta and we dump it like crazy. It's the same story for the Celestia. So it's not fun, you know, when the people lose the money, you know. So we are all here not to be right. We're here to make money at the end. That's why this cycle is so hard on a hard mode, definitely because the market makers, the venture fund just wrecked people. They run the token, just run the marketing campaign and just dump the bags because who sell the tokens if we always going down? Who? Retailers don't have that amount of tokens to sell all the time, you know. So it's kind of weird. All right, so we dump it and let's focus on local one. So point of control now, it's around here, around 11 cents 44. So this zone will play out after drop, I guess, or we hold the line around now, like resistance. So this zone will be like resistance, so 11.40, so around 12 cents. We can remove it. This is a monthly high, and we dump it even lower. This is order flow, so sooner or later any order flow come back, we close that order flow. So with first one, green scenario, we drop it down to the 0.561 level FIB. This is a FIB of week. You know, highly recommend you go and check the video how to work with the week candles, how to trade weeks. And usually we can hold the line around 0.5. It's a logical entry. Here have the price respect 38. So the green scenario, if we drop it down to 6 cents 91, around, of course not till penny, bounce 23, retest, go higher over the monthly high, and hit the 61 level FIB. And it will be not a break of structure, because to talk about a break of structure, we need to break, I don't know, probably this high or even this one. So locally, of course, 20 cents, it's can be the local break of structure, right? If we want to talk about upside move to the main targets. I don't want to repeat the zones now 4 months globally, because if we invalidate the idea, if we sweep the listing price on lowest listing price, the zones of support, previous one, flip and become the resistance. So that zones will be the zone where we need to fix the profit if we catch some knives at the bottom. Is it possible? So the 4 cents 12, it's the end of downtrend. I hope. We can't know, because everything what is on the 4 cents, it's just open space. Highly recommend you go into crypto rank, double check the fundraising rounds, at what price on the seed round, on priority round, maybe the venture funds got their tokens. And this example, so usually, not all the time, but usually the venture funds dump the tokens exactly to their entry. And after that, maybe if they got interest again, they start accumulating back. So then the negative scenario, guys, if we drop it down, bounce it and crash it down to the best zone to buy. After that, guys, of course, we get a chance to invalidate even this idea and drop it down the 4 cents and go into price discovery zone. So this is a negative scenario. In the next few days, I guess by end of this week, we will see the realization some of these trades. It's for the spot or for the futures, I guess this idea can be relevant. After that, we're going to retest the order block and the zone of fixation swing trade. So don't be so greedy. And if you catch some good trade, for example, here, don't be so greedy and fix the profit at 100%. So 100%, 94%, 100% profit, just withdraw initial deposit and forgot about this token, guys, like a nightmare. No matter what will be next with this token, guys, absolutely you don't care about it. So for example, 51068, 10% stop losses, so even on the spot against 136. So this can be logical trade, or 20% against 272. Makes sense. You can add alert and track all of these zones. Take a look, guys, now with my custom indicator set, just locally. Global targets I don't want to show you because I already explained it in the first videos. ADZ, we just hit a middle, so it's not bullish, not bearish, it's just neutral. So it's hard to say by timing, but even till December 28th, I, by the way, shared this idea on TradingView, so we'll come back later to this idea. This idea can be right or wrong. After the time, we will double check. So we can't be always right, or we can't be always wrong, right? So we work only with the possibilities. Now it's no accumulation, nothing. So it's more like neutral, but with some direction to the accumulation zone based on ADZ indicator. This is this one, direction. Some of accumulation starts only today. But it's not like a magic, so we should skyrocket to the moon. No, some accumulation was here in June 2025, June 27 and 16. So around 10 days we've been in accumulation, and after that bounce it. Bounce it from approximately here, 54%, 55. Right, nice one. So now the same accumulation. Some accumulation was here, tiny one, small bounce, and crash it down. So locally, nothing crazy for on direction indicator for Manta. Market mood. This is a capitulation. Of course, it's capitulation on the daily, even on the weekly, I guess. Yes, even on the monthly. No, on the monthly we're still. By the way, we're still not invalidated idea. Let me check. Wait a minute. Hold it. So we invalidated with the week. Yes. So yes, idea invalidated on the Binance, at least on the Binance. Idea invalidated. So it's still like a free zone on the monthly. It's kind of weird, but it is what it is. But it's a great example, guys. So no rush. At least wait when we drop to the some disbelief area on the capitulation area on the weekly or on the monthly. Better. Daily, it's of course capitulation, so I wish some reversal move. Let's close this one. Let's go to the money power. Some money inflow was here December 1st one, so we bounced it from 9 cent 30 to 10 cents. So that's not what we're looking for. So we need to see some bigger money inflow. Weekly, somebody buying at this socket. But guys, keep in mind the whales also can lose the money. Yes. So I hope they accumulate and they know what they're doing. 12 frame, yes, some money inflow. At least more reasons for accumulation up to your own risk, of course, because any token can be even delisted from exchanges. What is good for the Manta? We saw the signal sell here in June. Fun fact, but I'm not track a lot of tokens, but almost all of them showing us that sell signal summer. Everybody hope it, including myself. So the summer was a chop time, and in autumn we skyrocket, but we crashed it down even harder. So it was a sell signal, take profit. This is a good one because we saw the take profit, so we need to close all this short position. Signal to buy, bounce, recommendation, close position. Now nothing. 12 frame, buy, bounce, recommendation, close position, buy, and now nothing. So kind of weird. But I think soon we will see another signal to buy. The last one indicator is take profit, guys. Fundamental value of the Manta is at this current moment on the daily only 610.29. Take profit is 1687. 12 frame buy line. This is what we mostly go in and test. It's 710.05. Fundamental value it's 510.26. So add alerts. I hope we will not test the fundamental price, but I will add alert to this line. And take profit line on 12 frame 1390. Exit line it's 1576. All targets I showed you. We'll come back to this idea later. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Write please in a comment what you think about Manta. If you would like to trade as my customer, I will show in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.